How to adjust Rainbird pop-up sprinklers. Rainbird and ground sprinkler systems have nozzles that pop up out of the ground only when they are spraying water, so they don't interfere with mowing. The nozzles may need to be adjusted if you notice that an area of your lawn is not getting water. You can easily adjust the distance and direction. Things you will need: screwdriver. Check your manual about the minimum distance your sprinklers should spray. For example, a 15-foot sprinkler should not be set to spray less than 10 feet. This could damage the sprinkler. Find the screw on top of the sprinkler. Turn the screw to the right to decrease the distance that the water sprays and left to increase the distance. Do not adjust it more than a half turn at a time. Test the water spray each time you turn the screw to judge the distance. Pull up on the sprinkler head to adjust the direction that the water sprays. Grasp the nozzle and turn it in the direction that you want it to spray. There is a ratchet mechanism that holds the sprinkler in place. Tips warnings. You can adjust the spray distance while the sprinkler is running to make the process shorter, but you will probably get wet.